So this is a weird twist of fate. Now we got apps that are slowly over time potentially breaking foldable cell phones coming out for, you guessed it, foldable cell phones. So yeah, we got this foldable phone right here called Kami, which is exactly what you think it is. It is you folding a piece of paper, but you do it by folding your cell phone. Now, Z Fold 7, I believe it has 200,000 folds before it would break. So you're not really going to break a Z Fold 7. But if you have any foldable phone before Z Fold 7, you might be in a little bit of a rocky place here when it comes to eventually your foldable phone breaking. Because again, keep in mind, all these foldable phones that come out, they have a certain limit. They're registered up to a certain limit of folds before things start going wrong. Now, if you're just folding to fold, you're going to limit the lifetime fold of your fold. Wow, that was unexpected. But yeah, so kind of interesting, I guess. There's like this new trend going on of how to break your foldable cell phone. This is how you break it. You just use these apps. So I recommend not using these apps. I mean, in general, they're not really like that crazy fun. I mean, we had a Flappy Bird one we talked about last video, and now we got this one, which is just folding a piece of paper. And I recommend if you really have an urge to fold a piece of paper, go buy paper, right, and fold it. Probably costs you around $1 or $2 to get a piece of paper, and then you just fold it, and that's pretty much that. Like, it's probably a better idea than trying this with a foldable phone that could cost up to $2,000. It's not really realistic at the end of the day to, potentially break your phone. It's going to take a little while for you to do this, to actually break your phone. You're probably going to run out of patience with the app before you even come close to breaking your phone. But again, you never know. So you got to just keep that in mind that the risk is not worth the reward, which I guess there isn't really. What is the reward for doing this? Just that you get to potentially see if your foldable phone will break? I don't know. I'm sure there's some scenario where it's just enticing to do this, but don't do this. So hopefully we get some better news moving forward from some other type applications, that are really optimized and crazy for these phones. But this one is next level. See you guys in the next one.